Hey there, Dots and guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new arrival. This is our 2027 Scout 260 LXF. She's in the full hull black with the midnight edition, so the black rub rail and all the black accents up below, as well as the underside of that hard top. We've painted the silver accent stripe to kind of complement some of those silvers in the Mercuries. We have a standard windlass, bow eye camera, and as we transition back, we've got the twin Mercury V6 200s. Those are digital shifting engines. We've got our full walk-through transom that Scout's known for on most of their models now. And then she is standardly equipped with the Seakeeper ride system, which we absolutely love. Makes that boat feel a lot bigger when you're in the water. But let's take a moment and walk on inside. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see again those Mercury V6 200s from behind me. We have rod storage across the back and integrated cup holders, our standard live well. And this boat is equipped with recirculation in that live well. We have our transom seat for 2 to 3 comfortably, convenient grab panel right there on the back side of the leaning post. Just underneath there is our systems access. Scouts, in my opinion, are famous for knowing these clean finished lockers. That is the bottom of the stringer, but you'll see it's a perfectly accessed systems access. Great spot for cast nets and stern anchors here in Charleston. On our port side, we have the walk-through door. So that flips up, and this is an in-swinging. And she is equipped with the side boarding ladder that's stowed down below. And we've got fish boxes both port and starboard. Backside of the leaning post, and as well as backside of T-tops, we've got the rocket launchers in that midnight edition, so all black. Rod holders across the leaning posts, plier, knife storage. Again, more cup holders. We have our wet bar, so we've got our sink, cutting board on the backside, as well as a built-in cutting board here. We've got the cutlery cabinet, tackle storage, bottle opener just above our conveniently placed trash can. I absolutely love that feature. On this leaning post as well, we have a 45 quart Yeti cooler, magnet catch. So I'll throw that up and it conveniently holds it open, and then there's an LED light that shoots down in that cooler. So great thought all the way through from Scout. As we transition forward, the top side of our helm here, you'll see we've got our Mercury digital gauge, and as well as we've got some quick switching, but otherwise down below, we have an extremely clean cockpit, or as far as dash, excuse me, not cockpit. So we've got the 24-inch Garmin on this one. You'll see it, I've got the standard bow eye camera I'd mentioned pulled up there. So that is 4K vision, absolutely incredible. We've also got the HDMI to phone connection, so you can stream from your cell phones, as well as independently a wireless inductive charging both port and starboard, tiltable helm, digital throttle from Mercury Marine, and then convenient glove boxes with chargers down below. At the helm, you'll see nice raked back backrest, pull-out seats, armrest, and then as well as this boat has the JL audio upgrade, so it's got the larger subwoofer and amplifier. As you're looking back, we'll again show that walkthrough through the backside here, and as well as in-gunner rod storage. And we'll walk towards the front of the boat, and as we walk forward, you'll see this boat's got the integrated T-top with a carbon fiber. So this is true carbon fiber, just with a clear gel coat on top, and it accents that black that we see from the exterior, so it's really sharp. Inside of our head here, we've got the porcelain head with the holding tank, and you'll see how clean, natural light down with a window, but that's our dash panel there, our distribution panel. As we transition forward, you'll see we got the U-shaped seating all the way in the bow. As I sit down, I'm 6 foot for reference, so fully extended, convenient grab handles, cup holders, and as well as a little charging tray, so you can put your cell phones there, electronics. Underneath both port and starboard are insulated storage boxes, and as well as on the lounge seat here, you'll see we've got our side boarding ladder stored there conveniently, and our freshwater fill for there as a fill up. You have armrests on the lounge again. Moving all the way to the front, we did equip this one with the rod holder / cup holders, so we can add an extended shade or have that dual feature. We have independent pedals for our windlass system that is standard on this model, and as well as freshwater connection, so we can spray that windlass as it comes in or just the bow of the boat. Looking at the hardtop, just the front side of here before we finish up, you'll see it's got the LED razor light as an option, and as well as additional speakers and floodlights for the cockpit lighting. Guys, if you enjoy this tour, if you'd like to come see this boat in person, maybe even plan a potential sea trial, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.